Transform data into actionable insights that will drive team performance.
Always believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were.
We have arrived at a time in our environment where data is the critical element. 5 years ago, companies were looking at data to basically understand who their customer was, where they were geographically, who they were demographically. But now, companies and individuals are understanding the power of data, not only to have it, but more importantly, to be able to leverage artificial intelligence and to use it for predictive analytics. Not only do companies want to know who their customers are, but they want to understand what they like, what they don't like, when they would like to have things delivered to them, how they would like to have things delivered to them, whether or not they're interested in going into a brick and mortar establishment or whether or not they want things to come to them. Do they want it physically? Do they want it online? Which means as a leader, you must be conversant in understanding the power of data. You need to first understand what data is available to you. What are the sources of data in your organization? What are you doing that is contributing to the production of data for your entire organization? Second, you need to make sure that you have strong, powerful relationships with the people who house your data, the people who might cleanse your data, the people who are receiving your data, and frankly, if there's another organization that is interpreting your data, you need to have powerful relationships with them. Because if you have not had a background in data analytics or technology, it may be the case you don't even know what questions to ask. But if you have a powerful relationship with those who do, then they will be more than willing to tell you the things that you didn't ask, to tell you about the things that you should know. The third thing is now you need to think as a leader about how you use this data to drive outstanding performance. Obviously, part of your team's performance is about their behavior, about their work ethic, about their initiative, about whether or not they have foresight. But part of it will also be on the hard data. How many sales calls did you make today? How did you follow up? The data will allow you to make more processes very crystallized so there won't be an opportunity for all the gray. There are some things in your process that you want black and white because it will help you to develop your people around those metrics. And there'll be other things that are not so clear. Those are the things that you can use to, frankly, help to encourage your team, to help to create greater interaction, integration with your team, to give them time to think about the power of the one team, if you will. So the data will actually create more opportunity for you to do those kinds of things so that you can more effectively lead. But it means you must make the investment in yourself to understand the power of that data. Do you want to drive sales? Do you want to drive efficiency? Do you want to leverage technology in a way that you've never leveraged it before? The data can help you do that. One of the things that I've done to get myself more comfortable with using data is to create a portion of time during the week where I do nothing but understand the data. I make sure that I'm asking the right questions. I make sure that I'm interpreting that data in a certain way. And I make sure that I use the data to drive what we should be doing next and how we can create better performance. Data-driven environment, that's where we're in. Leaders leverage it to use to create better productivity for your team. Team members use the data to help to develop yourself and to have more effective conversations with your leaders about your performance. Go get them.